All right, so for the addition, we need local variables. I call it inum1, inum2, integer. Right, those variables allow us to store two integer values. How are we going to do this? I don't want them to be real numbers, but they can, yes. Inum1 is assigned to, we're taking it from, we're taking a string, we're turning it to an integer. So that's the string to int function. Where are we getting this from? Edit1.text. So we're getting it from the text property of the edit box, taking that string, turning it into an integer and storing it in the integer variable inum1. Inum2 does the same thing. String to integer, the 2.text. Right, so there's your input. Processing for this addition one. For that in another variable called iAnswer. Can be an integer because adding two positive integers or two any integers will always give you an integer. iAnswer is assigned to inum1 plus inum2. And we can output. We're going to output this integer to the caption property of a panel. Our panel's caption property is what data type? String. And what data type is iAnswer? Integer. Let's display the entire calculation. So we're going to have to say, we can say edit1.text plus, we can add a space and a plus, the 2.text plus, we add a equals plus, and then the calculation will be int to string. You agree? Returning to a string. What integer? iAnswer. Okay, yeah, I've forgotten a plus. All right, so let's see if this works. All right, so 21 plus 12 equals 33. Grant, are you doing anything useful? You're not doing this, are you? Okay, 21 plus 12 equals 23. Okay, you all happy with that? Right, now if you want to do, let's say, division, this one will be slightly different. But I'm going to start by copying everything because I don't want to waste my own time. This answer now can't be an integer because that's real number division. So we have to have an R answer this time. Real. We still get the input the same way. It's two integer values. These numbers remain integers. Right? Now with the division, R ans is assigned to inum1 divided by inum2. And then this part here will change. Okay, here instead of a plus, we will say divide. And instead of int to string iAnswer, what's going to change here? We're now turning a float to a string. Float to string. So let's just do it the easy way and see how the outcome looks. Our answer. So this is an unformatted float to string conversion. Let's run that. Okay, 1.75. Let's try it with some different values. Okay, here we see it 17.33333. Remember, if you want to format it to not show like that, it's float to string F. Our answer, comma. What's the next line? The next parameter, the first parameter is the real number. And it's FF and the format we want to use. We want to use fixed. And then how many digits it must be at the most. I normally just say 8. And how many decimals you want. If it's 1, that's 1 decimal. Let's run it again. Instead of 1.75, it should show 1.8. 1.8. You make this 3, it will show you 3 decimals. Let's see if it will in this case. 1.750. Okay, float to string F has 4 parameters. The real variable you want to convert, format you want to use, number of characters, how many decimals, with float to string F.